Hi, in this video we're going to look at volumes of spheres and hemispheres. But before we do, I just want to point out, just to remind you, that the radius of a sphere is the line segment that goes from the center to any point on the sphere, and the diameter is the line segment that goes from any point on the sphere through the center to the point across. Alright, so once you know the radius and the diameter of a sphere and what they mean, it's pretty simple to figure out the volume of a sphere. So the volume formula of the sphere is volume equals 4 over 3 pi r cubed. It's pretty cool how that's derived, but that's not what I'm going to do in this video today, but you should probably look that up because it's pretty fun. Alright, so if we have an example, so let's say our radius is for example, 6 centimeters. Well, that would make our diameter 12 centimeters, but that doesn't matter. All right, in order to figure out the volume, we will just plug into this formula. We will substitute a 6 in for the radius, and we get 4 over 3 pi 6 to the third power. And we can do that all in our calculator, and we get that that's approximately equal to 904.8 centimeter cubed. And that's how you find the volume of a sphere. Finding the volume of a hemisphere is pretty similar. All you have to do is half that. But let's just look at an example really quickly. Okay, so here's a question asking us to find the volume of a hemisphere. So as you may know, a hemisphere is half of a sphere. So for that reason, you could either find the volume of the sphere and then just half it, so what we did before and just half it, or you can switch the formula just a little bit and write down the volume of a hemisphere formula, and half of 4/3 is 2/3. So the volume of the hemisphere, that formula is 2/3 pi r to the third. Alright, so the volume of a hemisphere is 2/3 pi times our radius, which is 6 to the third power, and so we get that that's approximately equal to 452.4 centimeter cubed. And you can do a double check and see if you would get the same answer the other way if we halved the volume of our sphere. Alright, that's it for now.